To start off by thanking you for these last 6 fantastic weeks. My final project is called the PLG, or the Personalized Limerick Generator. As the name suggests, the program basically takes a name from the user, tries to find a set of rhyming words to match with the name, chooses one of these words at random, and then plugs this into one of 10 limerick templates that I have composed and fit into the program at random, and prints a limerick. So because the name, the choice of the word, and the limerick choice are all variables, it usually prints a unique limerick each time you use it. So why don't we give it a spin? After the welcome message, I'm going to try Mehran for my first example. So the first example is kind of funny. If you've ever come across Mehran, you'd better hide your pecan. As rumor would have it, Mehran has a bad habit of quickly parting fools from their pecan. So some of these are not the most coherent, but they're still pretty entertaining. So I'm going to say yes, but it will only take Y or N as feedback to whether or not to continue the program. Why don't I try Chris next? Okay, again, one of the pretty funny examples, not super coherent, but let's give it another whirl and see how it goes. I like this one because it's about a Martian. So I hope you have fun trying this out. I'm going to give one last example just to show what happens when it isn't able to find a rhyme very easily. It basically just says we weren't able to find a close match, and you can try with a different spelling and maybe get a different result. If you're interested in looking at the code, why don't you go ahead and go to bit.ly/the PLG and explore further. Thanks for your interest in the program, and thanks for watching.